Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy comments on Instagram. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Instagram, and of course you will need to go to the posts or to the comments that you want to copy. Let's say an example, this post has a lot of comments, that's good, and we would like to copy that comment. So here, sorry, you'll have to just to go to the comments that you want to copy. So normally, if you go to any comments and keep clicking on it, you will find add story, reports, and block accounts. You will not be able to copy it. So what you can do basically is simply, of course, one of the easiest way, but it will take you some time, is simply to take a screenshot. So take a screenshot as an example of your comments, whatever it is, of course, and then you can go to the where the screenshots are saved. Then simply you can try to cut the picture to just received or to just to have the text cropped only, nothing else. So if you have the picture has it all, just has the picture that has the text only. Then you can go to your browser, an example, and you can go to websites. Any website you can just type extract, as an example, text from image and hit the enter button, and you can find, of course, a lot of websites that do that. Totally up to you to choose whatever you want. And here, as an example, I'm just going to choose this one. So here, once you do so, let's just wait a little bit until the website's open. Of course, you will have to just upload that picture. The picture that you took, just go and browse where do you have it, as an example. So you can go to this list panel, images, and go to screenshots. As you can see, I'll find my screenshot that has everything. So now, because I still didn't crop it for you, of course, make sure to go to your gallery and crop it. If you're on iPhone, you can crop it even within the screenshots. But of course, after that, just go and click on converts, and it will convert basically, and will paste you the text that was in the comments, and you should be good to go to copy it from here. So you'll just have to wait a little bit. It may take some time, as you can see, and it should be, or the answer or the result should be here right now. So as you can see, here's all the text that was in the image because I copied the whole image. Of course, for you can go and copy whatever you want if you want to. You can copy it all as an example. And let's say you paste it somewhere in, just then copy the thing that you want exactly. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.